Meaning of David Garrick.
David Garrick.
David Garrick.
David Garrick.
David Garrick. David Garrick was an English actor, playwright, and theatre manager. He was famous for his acting in Shakespearean plays and is widely regarded as one of the greatest actors of the 18th century. Garrick's influence on the theatre extended beyond his acting skills. He also modernized the British stage and brought a new level of professionalism to the field. His legacy continues to be felt in the world of theatre to this day, and his name remains synonymous with excellence in performance art.